Hey everyone, just thought I'd check in and have a chat about another product, and one that is absolutely a go-to when it comes to events or even bridal for me. That product is our Icon Dual Lip Gloss. The reason I like these is because for the consumer, you get a lot more bang for your buck. So being a dual product, there's two in the one packaging. You have a lip stain, which these are super concentrated. They dry semi-matte, but they also come with a lip gloss option. So you have the versatility of wearing this product semi-matte or glossy. The gloss itself is clear. There is no pigment in it. There is no shimmer to it. It's just a universal gloss on gloss, glossy. The pigment itself in the color end of these is super saturated. And I grabbed these two because they're probably two of my favorites. In the nude, seems to be that classic nude that every girl wants to go for, especially teamed up with a lip liner. I'd probably go with Heatherberry. It just gives you a much fuller lip, and using that concentration and accuracy of a lip liner, you can really draw just outside your lip line for more volume optically. The other one of my favorites has to be Scarlet, and the reason this is my favorite is because of all the reds that we've got, this one seems to match everyone's skin type the most, in my opinion. And if you're a bit worried about whether a really red lip will suit you, Scarlet's the one to try first. Because these have so much color payoff, you can use just a touch and work it into your lips first and then build up. So they are buildable, so you can try a little bit, see how it feels. If you like it, you know, apply more. Halfway through the day, you can apply more again because these don't shift. So you can build the color, you can take your look from day to evening just by adding another top coat. And then if you're wanting to switch it up, then you can always gloss up as well. So very versatile red, suits everyone. I would check that out. Scarlet all the way, or in the nude. Send nudes, nude.